I took a couple, you know, I took some time off to rest, and now it's game time, bitches. You have no idea.
I'm tired. Benefit came out with a new pomade. It's called Pomade Brow Pomade. Pomade. We're gonna try it out. I don't really use pomades, but we'll see. This is what it looks like. Very dark. I don't look too different, but yeah, I look like this for the DMV.
Let's ride.
Well, that was the quickest and most unhelpful DMV appointment I've ever had. I'm missing a document, even though online didn't say anything, and I just don't know things. How my day is going. Makeup still looks okay though from the mask.
Okay, I'm ready.
Take over. What can I grab you today?
Can I get a order of stuffed bagel minis?
Plain.
Stuffed bagel minis? Yeah.
Hash browns.
Okay.
A veggie wake up wrap.
Okay.
And a 10 count of munchkins.
Oh my god.
Alrighty.
Can it be 5 glaze and 5 jelly?
Let me double check. It might not have jelly.
Do chocolate. I like chocolate.
If you don't have jelly, chocolate's fine.
Haha, we have them. They were hiding in the corner.
Say that.
Anything else?
That'll be it, both.
Alright, man. You can pull up to the window. Thank you.
Thank you.
I appreciate you.
Appreciate you.
Stop.
Don't start with me.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
Even if we don't eat them all now. Is this a munchkin?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was jelly.
Good jelly.
Got the goods. Headed to the mall. Never wanted to eat so bad in my life. Hash browns. We got hash browns to share. This is mine. Look at these. It's a bagel, babe. It's a bagel with cream cheese stuffed on the inside.
Mmm. Interesting.
I don't know if you want a bite because it's cream cheese.
Yeah, I'll probably have to pass on that.
That's fair.
Thank you. It's like a bagel with pizza stuffed inside there, you know?
Or no, what isn't there like don't people do, it's not garlic knots, but it's like or is bagel dough and pizza dough the same thing?
Yes.
Yeah,
Just
so
bread.
I guess then yeah, like you could put sauce and cheese inside and it's like a bagel. Yeah. We just finished shopping. Or I should more specifically say I just finished shopping. Oops, no judgments. He's here. It looks like you're not here. He's here in the car, I promise. I'm gonna give you guys a haul. I went to H&M. Excuse me, I'm trying to record a video. And I got this top because I am pretty sure it exactly matches these green shorts that I have from Aerie. 2 different places, and I'm like 99% certain the colors are the same. We'll see, could be wrong. And then from Sephora, Sephora didn't have the like direct thing I wanted, but I also did want to get this. It is their glycolic acid 7% toning solution. Do you want to know why I bought this? You want to know why?
Sure.
I've heard that this is really, really, I just put you in it for a second to reaction. I've heard this is really, really good for armpits if you sweat a lot. Yeah. And so, you know me, so I'm gonna give it a try.
The musties. Oh, there you go.
Got it. I thought you were saying don't open it, and I was like, why not?
I was saying don't rip it.
This is what it looks like.
Spin the block.
$9 for this. That's pretty good, right? It's supposed to be for like acne.
Look like juice.
Well, it's not juice, don't drink it. You'll die. Guys, I went into Forever 21, and it's only because I saw something near the exit. I don't shop at Forever 21 anymore. It doesn't really happen for me. But my eye was caught because I saw this, and I could be saying the wrong word here. I believe it is Argyle is the pattern. Very like 70s retro, but I feel like very in. And I feel like I can pull it off. Jabari says it's ugly, but
I didn't say that.
you said it was, you said it takes the right type of person to pull it off.
I said,
But you didn't say I could pull it off, so.
There you go telling your viewers lies, okay? If you gonna tell them what I said, make sure it's the truth.
Yeah, say what you said then.
What I done said was, it's ugly, but it's funky. Now, what I mean by that is, it could be pulled off. I don't know if you that person. I gotta see it on you, of course.
What if you hate it on me?
I ain't never seen you wear something like that before.
It's definitely out of my comfort zone.
The closest thing you got to that is that green sweater you stole out my closet.
What green sweater?
The green one, that like light green one.
That's not even your sweater, it's your brother's.
But it was in my closet.
To be fair, it's not weird. His brother is away in the military. That sounds ambiguous, but he didn't want to need the clothes, so I took it. Anyway, also got these socks from Forever 21. These were $8 for 3 pairs. But they're all Baby Yoda on them, so.
Shout out Grogu.
Shout out Grogu. And last but not least, Ulta. You're in this now. Good to see this. Sunday Riley. I have heard fat, glowing reviews about this. It's their acne treatment based oil. So I'm gonna add this to my routine. This is new. I literally saw an influencer promote this and she got me to buy it. It's the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day PhD Advanced Clean Dry Shampoo. And then on the way out, this was actually something I almost was gonna buy at Sephora. And here it is from Morphe. It's their M24 brush. It's a concealer brush.
Morphe.
No, Morphe.
Morphe.
No. When did you first say that? What was that? Oh, in the Boyfriend Does My Makeup.
Yes.
So now we're going to Cheesecake Factory. I actually don't know if Cheesecake Factories are everywhere, but he has literally never been. If you live near Cheesecake, I feel like everyone has like been there. Can you please explain yourself? Why have you never been? Your parents just never take you?
I just never been to Cheesecake Factory. I never found the need to go to Cheesecake Factory. You know I barely eat as it is.
You eat more now.
Restaurants just isn't something
And you ate as a kid. This is the type of place that your parents would take you.
We ain't never go. We did Red Lobster.
There we go. We're ordering it to go because who wants to sit in a restaurant? Not me. What is it?
Cinnamon swirl cheesecake. God darn it.
Long story short, we decided to just get a cheesecake from Cheesecake Factory and go get Burger King because one meal at Cheesecake Factory is $17. No joke. And we're broke.
Secured the bag. Secured. Decided last minute, just get a cheesecake and then get Burger King. You got so close.
Did I scare you?
Yes.
You know how much space is in between us?
Don't forget to ask for forks.
We have forks in my house.
Fine.
You're
Whatever.
just trying to eat it now.
Yeah, I'm ready to eat it now.
I already know how you work.
Yeah, I'm ready.
You know I gotta check it first.
So check it. Check it.
Check it.
I literally saw that. If you wanted french fries, you should have got them.
A couple, I took some time off to rest, and now it's game time, bitches.
Well, no, I didn't comb my hair.
Babe, I'm just doing a quick 2-second clip. Baby's first cheesecake bite from Cheesecake Factory. How are you feeling right now?
Anxious.
Anxious? Why?
I don't know how this about to be.
Alright, we'll get into it. We got the Oreo crumble something.
Yeah. Now you take the whole thing, right?
What do you think of it?
It's alright. It's chocolatey.
Like you.
It's good. It's good.
Good. Well, $9 for a slice. Shit is good. Shit is good.